Your business name will be mentioned here with voice. Please check premium package details to order.
Choosing a senior caregiver for your loved one is a very important decision. Life can be challenging in the senior years, and a little help will make your loved one's life more comfortable and give you peace of mind. Here are 5 things you need to do before deciding to choose a senior caregiver. 1. Understand your requirements. Before beginning to explore your options, make a list of your loved one's status, specific care needs, and detailed job requirements and expectations, as detailed as possible. 2. Get recommendations. It's a good idea to seek recommendations from your friends, neighbors, or family doctor. Ask them about personality, availability, skills, satisfaction, and more. 3. Do background checks on all candidates. When you have a list of potential candidates, do a background check including credentials, credit report, residency status, and criminal records. If you hire an agency, make sure to ask about their background check and see the paperwork. 4. Interview different caregivers. Try to talk to as many different caregivers as possible to find out the one who matches your needs and makes your loved one comfortable. It's important to ensure that they understand your requirements and are willing to follow them. 5. Have a job contract. It's necessary to have a contract with your chosen caregiver which details the job descriptions, schedule, payments, and all the agreements in between. Choosing a friendly and honest caregiver who will listen and strive to meet your needs is important, but doesn't have to be difficult as long as you keep these points in mind. If you're looking for a team of professionally trained caregivers who specialize in a wide range of senior care services and who are dedicated to providing your family with a customized plan designed for your specific situation and budget, contact us today to see how we can make your life easier.